Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta Akshat. Okay, ready for your class? Yes, Akshat, Gauransh,
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruv.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let everyone join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Fine. Tell me, last class, where did we leave?
Ma'am, we have to start with ma'am that afforestation.
We have to start with
Ma'am, afforestation.
that means we have to start with the methods of conservation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. That was not done. Okay, no issues.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, which table we have to draw in the notebook?
Which diagram?
Ma'am, which table, ma'am? Ma'am, in the other class, ma'am, like in the previous class, we have said we have to make a table, ma'am. I forgot to make. Ma'am, please tell which table we have to make.
Just a second. You are not very clear. You are not clearly audible. Can you tell again what you are asking? What you have to draw? Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying that, ma'am, which table we have to draw in previous class we have said, but ma'am, I have not drawn.
Table, not the table. Actually, on page number 151, table 3.1 is written, and multi-purpose projects that are there in India, those are specified over there. So the names which are
Yes,
given of the rivers and the project, you need to mark those rivers in your notebook, sorry, in the map, political map of India, and you have to write that on that particular river, which multi-purpose project has been made. Am I clear?
ma'am, ma'am means on Damodar River, Damodar Valley project has been.
Yes, yes. Damodar Valley project is on Damodar River. So you will be showing Damodar River, and then you will be showing, you will be writing the name of the project. I
So,
hope I
ma'am,
am clear.
this map, global distribution of rainfall.
This map, this is a separate map. This map shows the annual precipitation
Okay, ma'am.
of the world. Like they have shown you in this map that some parts of the world, they receive ample of rainfall, whereas some of the other regions which are there, they are completely having scarcity of water. So this variation, if you see, if you look at the map, you will find that the variation that we have in the map, in the availability of the water, sorry, in the receiving of the annual precipitation, it is all because of the climatic conditions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We all know that the world has been divided into various, like if you talk of India, of course, India has been, divided into different physiographic divisions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So, and if you look at this world map, you will find out that I think if you remember class 6, you people have read about the heat zones, various heat zones of the world.
Yes, ma'am. Tropical. Ma'am, tropical region.
Exactly, exactly, exactly. The equatorial region, that the tropical region,
The
then
tropical region.
exactly the torrid zone. I hope you remember that,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And also because of the regional variation that we have of a particular region, like though what do you call them, the zones which are there, and as per the regional divisions also, there is variation in the, just a second, let me take through. So there is variation in the annual precipitation, right?
So, ma'am, that project multipurpose, like, ma'am, that we have to draw an Indian political map.
You have to show the river. Um, Wait a second, I'll show you. Let me share the screen. Just a moment. Huh?
Ma'am, the map on given that global distribution of water, that we have to also draw.
Of course, this was told to you a long time back. Initially, when we started, when it was there, I told you that you have to do this. I'll show you one map. Wait, let me share the screen with you. Just a minute. Huh? Yes, beta. Can you see the screen, class?
No, ma'am. No,
Nothing?
ma'am.
Nothing?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Wait a second.
Ma'am, will map come in UT?
Now, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. What are you able to see here? There is a map, India map. Like this Bhakra Nangal is written. You need to show the river also on which this Bhakra Nangal project is made, right? Am I clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Like Hirakund is made on Mahanadi, so that Mahanadi river also you are supposed to show,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I hope I am clear, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
very good.
So, ma'am, we have to write only the name of project.
You have to, of course, you have to just write the name of the project, multi-purpose project. Got it?
Ma'am, I don't.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want the diagram of first chapter.
You want the diagram of first chapter. Diagrams are there in the book itself.
No, ma'am. Please tell ma'am how many diagram we have to make.
Chapter 1. I don't think if there are more diagrams, much of diagrams. I think flowchart I made you do. So that flowchart you have to prepare. And there are no diagrams in chapter 1. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
you tell ma'am what we
flowchart
have
in
to
chapter
do?
one.
What?
Ma'am, we have to make flowchart on chapter 1.
Beta, when I explained you that chapter, I did a flowchart with you all. So that flowchart you are supposed to make in your notebooks, and for the exam you need to prepare it. Because
Okay, ma'am.
whatever done in the class, anything of that can come, right?
Ma'am, what we are
Okay,
doing,
ma'am.
ma'am, because ma'am I joined late, ma'am, can you tell?
Beta, we are continuing with chapter 3 geography, and we were on the conservation of water, what steps we can follow to conserve water, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Fine. Can you see the board clearly? If I write something on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
board, if I write something on the board, will you be able to see?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no? Okay.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
speak.
Hmm. Methods of conservation we have to do. See, when we talk of the methods of conservation, the first and the foremost important is afforestation.
Ma'am, it is not visible.
It is not visible at all.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a second. Now,
Yes, ma'am. Now it's
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
It is afforestation.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what measure we can follow? Like what is afforestation? I hope you all know. Yes.
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, if
More
I
and more, please.
wait, if I ask Aman, what is afforestation? Will you be able to tell Aman?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please tell what is afforestation.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
planting.
afforestation is the
Planting
planting of
in
more
a large
trees.
amount is known as forestation.
Okay. The process, the method of planting trees is called as afforestation, right? Right. This is what, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now coming to the second method. See, when we talk of irrigation, we can adopt efficient methods of irrigation. Now, what are efficient methods? Efficient methods are those methods which, stop the wastage of water and allow maximum utilization of water. Like we all know that India is an agricultural country where most of the people, they are into cultivation, they are into agriculture, and they require more of water to irrigate their fields, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is coming very low.
Just a second. Give me a minute. I'll attach my earphones. Okay. Uh, is my voice clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll not go far from there. So when we talk of irrigation, efficient or effective methods of irrigation.
Your voice is not coming.
What is the reason? I don't understand. Now is it coming? Class? Am I audible now? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's somehow,
Huh?
ma'am, it goes and ma'am, then it comes automatically.
Okay. Okay. It faints and then it. Chalo, theek hai, theek hai. I'll not go far away from the from the speaker, right? Okay. When we talk of the efficient methods of irrigation, there are two methods, efficient methods of irrigation. One by using sprinklers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, when we talk of efficient methods of irrigation, we talk of sprinklers. Have you seen sprinklers? They are like this.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, we have studied in science.
Very good. That's very nice. Fine.
Chapter 1.
So, very good. So these sprinklers, you know, what do? They go to the reach of the water that comes out from from the holes of these sprinklers. The reach is quite wide, and you know, even on an undulating land, uneven land that we have, it can water the fields evenly, right? Right? Otherwise, what happens?
Yes, ma'am.
We keep the pipes open. We put the pipes on the land, and we allow the water to move. But what happens because of the unevenness of the land? It tends to the maximum of the water, most of the water gets wasted. It does not go to the field, rather it spills out from the spaces which are there. But by using sprinklers, what we can do, the undulating land or the uneven land that we have, they are the sprinklers are able to reach the larger areas and they irrigate the fields. The second method is drip irrigation. Now in the dry regions or the dry areas that we have, this drip irrigation is a very good method. You know how it is done? Anybody in the class who knows?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
what?
ma'am.
Yes, tell beta, Gauransh.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, there will be pipes under the ground connected to the roots. Ma'am, through those pipes, the drop of the water go to the roots of the plant.
Very good. See, there is a
Ma'am,
pipe.
they have some small holes, ma'am.
There, see, in drip irrigation, you know, a pipe is there and there are holes made in that pipe, and water is allowed to pass through the pipe, and you know, drops of water they fall, and because the pipe is closer to the root, so the root gets the maximum of the water. So this is how drip irrigation is undertaken. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
Then there are several methods which you have been reading in your previous classes. So I would like to listen it from you all. Other than these two methods that are given in the book, what all you can do to conserve water? Yes, can I have Kripansh answering? Kripansh? Aman, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, tell. What do you do to conserve water? Nothing?
Ma'am, I will use short water.
What you will use?
Ma'am, in short quantity of water.
Okay, so like, but then will the requirement be over by using a small quantity of water?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What else?
May I try?
Yes. Anav, tell beta.
Ma'am, ma'am, that dirty water that comes from our houses and ma'am factories and hospitals, ma'am, should be ma'am treated properly, ma'am, so it can be ma'am reused.
Very good. See, the treatment of the wastage plants should be installed, and it should, filter the waste from the water, and then it can be used, right? The
Yes, ma'am.
right. Then I think whether with you people I discussed or not, like the RO that we have in our houses, a pipe through which the water gets,
Yes,
thrown out.
ma'am. You told me.
We have discussed this.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
So there are several ways of conserving water, right? If we do our part, then we don't have to depend on others, right? Then there is another way, rainwater harvesting. Now, rainwater harvesting is a very old, technique. In old times, people used to store water. They used to make, cemented ponds where they used to store. Where they used. Ji beta.
and ma'am, they also store the water from their ma'am roof or
Rooftop rain. Very good, very good, very good. Rooftop rainwater harvesting is also one of the method of conserving water, right?
पतंग के लिए मरते हैं.
Right, beta?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Now, can we have Anav reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Read, beta.
Ma'am, from conservation of water.
Yes, from conservation of water.
Water is
the
an
important methods, from the important methods.
Oh, ma'am, from the important. Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, the important methods of conserving water are as follows: afforestation, that is planting of trees and other plants, can slow down the surface runoff and improve seepage of water in the soil. Uh, in this way, underground water reservoirs can be replenished. The water important use of fresh water irrigation. Efficient irrigation method must be used so that there is no wastage of water. Over irrigation is neither good for crops nor for the soil. Canals and dams must be repaired to avoid wastage of water. Sprinklers are very effective method of irrigation. They can irrigate even under undulating
Land.
land. Water loss through seepage can also be checked. In dry regions where evaporation rate is high, trickle or drip irrigation is useful. Underground pipes supply water to the root of plant. Industrial water may be recycled and used for cleaning and cooling the machine. In domestic use, wastage of water should be avoided. Taps should not be unnecessarily kept open and the faculty ones should be repaired.
Okay,
Wastewater from
wait, Anav, wait. Can we have Aditya reading? Aditya Tiwari? Is he there in the class? Can we have Dhruv Kumar reading? Those who are here only for the namesake, I am removing them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
May I read?
Yes, Dhruv.
Yes,
Dhruv,
ma'am.
please read from where Anav has stopped.
I'm from where I have to read.
Beta, you were there in the class or not? Were you not listening? You are not having your books with you?
Ma'am, I am having a book, but ma'am, there is raining at my side today, so voice was not clear.
You read from sprinklers. Read from sprinklers.
Sprinklers are very effective method of irrigation. They can irrigate even undulating land. Water loss through seepage can also be checked. In dry regions where evaporation rate is high, trickle or drip irrigation is useful. Underground pipes supply water to the roots of the plant. Industrial water may be recycled and used for cleaning and cooling the machines. In domestic use, wastage of water should be avoided. Taps should not be unnecessarily kept open and the
Okay,
faulty
wait.
ones should be
Can we
repaired.
have Aditya Tiwari reading? Is Aditya there in the class?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't understand the words which the group said right now. Ma'am, can you tell where we stopped?
Which word?
Ma'am, when he was reading the last paragraph, last words, no,
Dhruv, can you
I
tell?
didn't
Dhruv, if you could tell.
Yes,
Dhruv?
ma'am. Ma'am, I have ended on the page 153, third point in domestic use. And ma'am, here in domestic use, wastage of water should be avoided. Taps and should not be opened unnecessarily, and the faulty ones should be repaired.
Faulty ones should be repaired, right?
Yes, ma'am. Till here.
Fine. Yes. Aditya Tiwari,
Yes, ma'am.
read from where Dhruv has stopped.
Ma'am, from wastewater.
Hmm.
Wastewater from kitchens may be used to fulfill air coolers or gardening. Rainwater harvesting is an important method of conversion water. Rainwater can be collected in storage tank and later be used to fill up well and tube wells.
Very good. Can we have Gauransh Mittal reading rainwater harvesting again? Gauransh?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, but the chapter is finished, ma'am. From where I have to read?
Just now I said no, from rainwater harvesting.
Okay, ma'am. Rainwater harvesting is an important method of conserving water. Rainwater can be collected in storage tanks and later be used to fill up well and tubes well.
Fine. Can Netik read the recap which is given?
Okay, ma'am. Recap. About 71% of the total surface area of the earth is covered with water. We use water for various purposes: domestic, agricultural, industrial, hydropower, generation, and transport. Only 1% of the earth's water is easily available and fit for human use. Distribution of fresh water is highly uneven in the world. Many countries face water scarcity. Multi-purpose multi-purpose projects aim at overall utilization of the rivers. Water can be conserved by afforestation, effective irrigation, recycling, avoiding wastage, and rainwater harvesting.
Fine, very good. See, I am telling you this. For your exams, do not stick to the exercises or the question answers which are at the back. Kindly be thorough with the chapter, between the chapter, from the recapitulation, exercises, from everywhere you need to prepare. Because I don't generally give the exercises as it is. I always chalk out between the chapters. Right? Right, class?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
map will come or not?
What?
Ma'am, map will come.
Of course, of course.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, can we make that map in our notebooks, ma'am? Global distribution of rainfall.
Beta, you have to do that in the notebook. I have told you earlier also.
Ma'am,
Okay?
I joined late. That's why I don't know.
Acha, you have to. Fine. Fine.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Take-
else what we have to do in notebook?
What, beta?
Ma'am, I'm saying that, ma'am, what else we have to do in our notebook except this map?
That India map and world map you have to do for this chapter, right?
Yes,
And that's it. And for this particular chapter, only these two things are there, right?
ma'am, I don't have the India map.
You can always download it from the net, no?
No, ma'am, ma'am, that you have shown, ma'am, by sharing the screen.
बेटा इंडिया मैप पॉलिटिकल मिल जाएगा मार्केट में आराम से, अब तो मार्केट्स भी खुल गए हैं.
Yes, ma'am, but ma'am, we have to, ma'am, draw, ma'am, dams on it.
No dams you don't have to draw, you have to write the names of the dams,
Then,
right?
okay, ma'am.
चलिए, take 2 minutes to find the answers to the exercises A, B and C. Right, class? We'll do question answers and exercises. So A, B, C, D exercises, you start finding the answers, okay? And after 2 minutes, we will start discussing.
I have done.
All till D?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Aman. First blank. A exercise first part.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1%.
You need to read the statement as well, beta.
Okay, ma'am. The percentage of the total water on the earth easily available and fit for humans use is 1%.
Well done. Next.
Ma'am, can I read next one?
Okay, next we have Goransh. Read.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait a
A
second.
large dam in Pakistan is Tarbela.
Tarbela, option B. Very good. Okay, Anav. Anav, third one.
Ma'am, you were calling me.
हाँ बेटा अनव करो सॉल्व करो थर्ड वाला ब्लैंक बताओ उसका आंसर बच्चे
Okay, ma'am.
yes read बेटा अनव
Ma'am, can I do?
yes
Which of the following countries does not face water scarcity? Ma'am, it is Algeria.
no UK it is UK option A
Okay,
Goransh
ma'am.
Goransh
Ma'am, can I read the fourth one?
Naitik yes read
A disease
Ma'am,
that is
may I?
not caused by contaminated water is cholera.
बेटा that is not caused by not
Ma'am, that
Ma'am,
is
can I-
malaria.
yes it
Ma'am,
is
cholera.
malaria Naitik malaria
Okay.
next Akshat
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I next?
yes Akshat
Yes, ma'am. Large jam in the Pakistan. A disease that caused by
बेटा underground
permanent-
water please be attentive in the class bacha
underground water reserves have been depended by the construction of houses.
underground water reserves have been depleted by construction of houses. Very good. Next. Can we have Goransh or Kripansh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I read?
Yes. State true or false. Yes, Goransh.
Ma'am, first one. Water is present in its solid, liquid, and gaseous form on Earth. Ma'am, it's true.
Very good. Next, can we have Prasoon Gangwar answering? Prasoon?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Water is a non-renewable resource. True.
It is false.
Yes, ma'am.
Water is a.
Ma'am, it is false.
It is false. Water is a renewable resource. Dhruv,
Ma'am, I
next.
can come the third one.
Yes, Anav.
Ma'am, wells and tube wells are used to extract groundwater. True.
Wells and tube
Ma'am,
wells are
second
used-
one is false.
Second one is false. Yes.